This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rotate the fastener anti-clockwise and remove the access panel behind the rear light cluster. Depress the retaining clip and detach the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Depress the relevant bulb a little, then rotate it anti-clockwise slightly and remove it. Most bayonet pin bulbs will only fit correctly in one place. The pins are offset. Align the bayonet pins with the slots in the bulb holder, then insert the bulb and rotate it clockwise to secure it. Refit the bulb holder assembly to the light cluster, pressing it into place until the clip engages. Refit the access cover and rotate the fastener clockwise.